This shur is shur on Tefilla. We got to Kel Melech, and we explained last week, Kise Raham, B'Chasidut. We explained what's the union of mercy. Throne has to be mercy because that's the regulation and the majesty. And the Anhoga is Chasidut, because that's the way that condites. Chasidut means free lunch. Hashem gives free, and Hashem has Erech HaPayim, that people should do Teshuvah and come back. Hashem lets them do that. After that, same book in Avrod Amo, he forgives the sins of his nation. Ma'avir Rishon Rishon. He removes one by one. Now the question is, what does one by one mean? Let's say one by one. Rambam brings in Chot Shuvah that when HaKadosh Baruch Hu weighs the earth abroad and this sort of a person, he forgives the first one and second one. From the third one comes. Now, if the abroad are more, he would punish him. The two ones comes back and he punishes him. All of the averod becomes avera because the person goes with majority. If majority is sins, means he belongs to Gehinnom. Therefore, he will be judged by that. Now, if they find it they are equal, then he gets a zechut of olam haba to go to Gan Eden. Therefore, his averod would not be permanent by him. In other words, there is no base for the avera. The Rambam says the third one becomes one, they remove that. Fourth one becomes one, they remove that. They remove one by one because all of the averot would not be permanent by him. And they remove it doesn't mean that the averot would go away for nothing. They remove it means that they remove it and they pass it on him. That's a ben olam haba. Now we have to deal with the averot. How to deal with the averot? We deal with the averot in this world. Now somebody who has more averot, less mitzvot, they deal with the mitzvot in this world. There were a lot of times you find the Russia that has a mansion, he has whatever that they give him is not enough because they are mitzvah by al maleka. In other words, a lot of people see the Russia that does some mitzvot, say, oh, how come he has such a zechut to have these things? But that is foolishness. A person should think, what? A few mitzvot that he did, the translation of the mitzvah is a mansion. The translation of the mitzvah is something that it goes by, passes by. It's worthy. The mitzvahs are much greater than that. Person should think like that. In other words, he's getting it very cheap. Why? Because the mitzvah that he did is not mitzvah olam haba. Because mostly averot means the mitzvah that he did is mitzvah olam haba. Therefore, we go with the Gedolim of olam haba and he would not get it. That's why in Kel Melech Neman, it says Ma'avir Rishon Rishon.